Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will see how to see private account on Instagram. So let's begin.
किसी के साथ बैठना
Open
छोड़
Instagram app and search for anyone profile you want to see. Simply send them the follow request so that you can now have access to the post and stories they are sharing. But if you do not
किसी के साथ बैठना
send them the follow request, then the next step that you can follow
किसी
is
के साथ बैठना छोड़
tap
दिया
on your profile, then click on the three bar menu. Now scroll all the way down and you will see add account option. Tap on it and click on create new account. Now what you can do is simply create a new account by putting on all the asked details. Then you can simply send them the follow request from the new account and see their private account. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have got any queries, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.